How Adhyatma or spirituality and Kal Chakra or cosmic cycle are interlinked to each other. It is a two-step process. First is to comprehend the significance of current timeline with respect to the overall cosmic cycle. Next, of course, only if convinced, is to participate in cycle transformation phenomena, that is, to embrace the spirituality. The concept is explained in the next single frame or screen. Drama is journey of we, the souls, coming from the soul world, interacting with Prakriti in human world with predefined rules. History is the time dimension of the drama consisting of 4 yugs, whereas geography is the space dimension of drama consisting of soul world and human world. Human world is a part of universe made up of 5 elements. Universe and soul world are isolated by thermodynamic boundary. Purush or human soul is a primary actor of the drama, having inherent quality called original sanskar or swadharma, consisting of 7 qualities, namely Gyan or wisdom, plus Pavitrata, plus Shanti, plus Prem, plus Sukh, plus Anand, plus Shakti, denoted as Q and depicted in green color is part of subconscious plus unconscious mind of the soul. Thought originated from conscious mind is energy of soul, which is continuously discharging as per the formula thought energy is directly proportional to thought frequency. Built-in drama script is the part of unconscious mind of soul. Sanskar, which is part of subconscious plus unconscious mind, generally overrides conscious mind, consisting of mind or man, which thinks, and intellect or buddhi, which decides. Prakriti or Panchbhut or 5 element is the second actor of the drama, which follows laws of thermodynamics, that is, quantity of energy remains constant, that is, law of conservation of energy. But more significantly, the quality of energy always keeps deteriorating as per the law of entropy. Everything spontaneously or naturally transfers from new to old or order to disorder with the passage of time. Behavior of Prakriti resembles the 2 states of heat engine, the ideal or frictionless state, gradually transforming to the real state once friction is introduced in course of time, thereby further reducing the engine efficiency or quality of Prakriti. Behavior of Prakriti is controlled because of the limitation of the conscious mind of Purush, but however, it is actually controlled by the predefined script residing in unconscious mind of Purush. Script of Purush controls the script of Prakriti, which is straight line. This is validated by quantum physics, neuroscience, and theory of relativity specific. Graphical representation of journey. X-axis represent journey time, whereas y-axis represents common deteriorating quality of Prakriti and Purush as per quantum physics and thermodynamics. It implies that Purush quality unit of measurement controls Prakriti quality unit of measurement. Unit of measurement of quality of Prakriti is entropy, whereas unit of measurement of quality of Purush to be derived is going to be Vikar. Predefined religion-based inverted human tree exists in descending order of soul power in soul world. Journey starts from soul world to human world by first birth as per the law of attraction, when soul power of Purush equals the charge of Prakriti, which implies the reduction in soul count in soul world and subsequent increase in soul count of human world, thereby increasing the population of human world. Law of subsequent death and birth, which is the change in dress and address of human body. Janma dharma may change every birth like the body name, whereas swadharma associated with every soul remains the same like soul number throughout the journey of soul. During the course of journey, quality of human religion or civilization is compromised because of the deterioration of swadharma, the original quality of every soul. As shown in diagram, lubricated green area is shown gradually reducing because of the usage for the first two circles representing first two yugas, namely gold and silver, as per soul conscious script S, and is further reduced because of ever increasing friction depicted as black layer in next two circles representing next two yugas, namely copper and iron, as per body conscious script or script B. The green area represents Prakriti lubrication or equivalent Purush EQ or emotional quotient or soul power, whereas black area represents Prakriti friction or equivalent Purush Vikar. It will be thermodynamically proved using two states of heat engine, namely ideal and real, mapped to soul engine, that quality of Purush controls quality of Prakriti in ideal or nirvikari world by external environment of diminishing soul power and increasing number of souls around, whereas in real or vikari world, quality control is further amplified by internal vikar of Purush, which in turn increases entropy of Prakriti. Journey of specific spatial souls in ideal nirvikari deterministic soul conscious world consisting of two yugas, namely gold and silver age. Inner world consisting of only swadharma reflects in outer world of karma deemed zero or deemed akarma during the nirvikari world journey. Graphically, the journey is shown as red line. During the course of journey of number of births, soul attachment to body increases, so self is gradually identified as a body instead of soul. This phenomena is called Maya or illusion. This journey from soul consciousness to body or role consciousness, deemed as Purush quality transition from Sato to Tamo. As a result, inherent internal swadharma of soul, the kind of overall true happiness residing in the inner world of soul, is forgotten, but that happiness is vital for the survival of the soul, which is made up of seven qualities, the way air, water, etc., are vital for the survival of the human body, as it is made up of five elements. So now, overall pseudo happiness is acquired from the outer world instead of inner world in form of calm plus moh plus lobh, resulting in either accumulation of aham or krodh vikar. As a result, vikar, depicted as black layer, is getting attached to soul as part of subconscious or unconscious mind, as acquired sanskar during the journey. So, Purush is not nirlep and is identified as Pap or Punya Atma. Moreover, acquired sanskar is reflected in both body and soul in subsequent births. Correlation exists between seven qualities of soul with seven body organ systems, namely Gyan and nervous, Pavitrata and immune, Shanti and respiration, Prem and cardiology, Sukh and digestion, Anand and endocrine, Shakti and skeleton plus muscle system. Journey of all souls in real, vicari, non-deterministic, body-conscious world, consisting of two yugs, namely copper and iron age. Inner world has now acquired vikar, which overrides the original sanskar, which in turn reflects in outer world karma deemed negative or deemed vikar. Non-deterministic nature implies that karmic gati is guhya. The downward trend of the journey is controlled by religious founders incarnated from different religious branches of soul world tree from time to time, like Ibrahim through Islam, Mahavir through Jainism, Buddha through Buddhism, Christ through Christianity, Shankaracharya through Sannyas religion, Muhammad through Muslim religion, Nanak through Sikhism. Effect is shown as black dotted line converted to full line, reducing the slope of journey or kind of putting brake on spiritually downward trend of going from Sato to Tamo. Break by purity in sannyas marg and to some extent by following bhakti marg. Number of maximum births in each yug, namely 8 for gold, where age per birth is 150 years, 12 for silver, where age per birth is 100 years, 21 for copper, 42 for iron, totaling 83 births are shown. Purush discharges as per only external deterministic factors, during journey in soul-conscious nirvikari world of gold and silver age, whereas during journey of body-conscious vikari world of copper and iron age, Purush discharges further because of additional accumulation of internal vikar. As per the formula, increase of Purush vikar triggers increase in Prakruti entropy, leading to thermal death, kind of end of the world. This is the default uniform journey of perfect and fair distribution of Sukh and Dukh, which is applied to every soul going from Sato to Tamo as validated by laws of physics, namely quantum physics, thermodynamics, and theory of relativity specific. As for example, the overall distribution of Sukh and Dukh among say Indians vis-a-vis Europeans as per human world entry time of the relevant souls. Red line versus black line. All eternal things, day, year, kalp or kal chakra, are cyclic and are made up of four parts. 4 prahar is 1 day, 4 rutus is 1 year, 4 yugs or ages is equal to 1 kalp or cosmic cycle. However, only yug part of the kalp or cosmic cycle is beyond lifetime of a human soul. Hence, cyclic nature is not visible to human souls, but visible or known only to Supreme Soul, which is beyond life and death cycle of drama. Of course, they say history repeats, so should Kalp or cosmic cycle. Cosmic script is cycle as per theory of relativity general, which overrides script is straight line as per theory of relativity specific. It is further revalidated by the results for both before and after observations of double slit experiment as per quantum physics. Journey can be cycle only if y value in graph, that is vikar of Purush and entropy of Prakruti becomes 0. As per the physics, entropy of Prakruti is ever increasing, so it cannot be 0. Metaphysics phenomena overrides the physics by making vikar of Purush equal to 0, which makes entropy of Prakruti equal to 0 at predefined time interval t is equal to capital T, because Purush vikar controls the Prakruti entropy as per quantum physics and thermodynamics. In graph, placeholder for metaphysics entity is shown, as well as brown dotted journey line intersecting the time axis at t is equal to predefined interval t capital is shown. This implies that journey or drama is a cycle, or it is an eternal Kal Chakra. Metaphysics entity is third actor of drama, called Param Purush or God, is human soul with Swadharma or Q value equal to infinity. Soul number is 0, and that is why it is called Supreme Soul, the root of the human soul tree, called Shiv, having frequency less than zero, the only soul capable of charging other human souls because it has no body and does not come into the life and death cycle, and so there is no vicar attached, as it always remains in soul world beyond the universe or entropy boundary. Every other soul or Purush has frequency greater than zero, that is, always discharging. Param Purush purifies the Purush by making Vikar equal to zero, which in turn making Prakruti entropy equal to zero, thereby completing the cosmic cycle by changing the direction of the journey. Religious founder reduces the slope of black line, thereby contributing in increase in the cosmic cycle period, working as battery backup, whereas Param Purush as charger is responsible for the drama to be cosmic cycle or Kal Chakra. Incarnation or Avtaran of Param Purush or Paramatma or God, as mentioned in Yada Yada Shlok of Gita during cycle transition time from Vikari world to Nirvikari world, called Sangam or Diamond or Gita Yug. Objective is to charge the human souls by Gyan Murli and Raj Yog. Angel world or third world or Sukshmavatan is temporarily created for transformation work by energy body of Trimurti of Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. This phenomena is also indirectly mentioned in some scriptures as Kalki avatar of Vishnu. Incarnation or Avtarana. The principle is two souls in one body, and it remains same for the religious founder as well as Param Purush. Soul of Christ is incarnated in the body of Jesus. So is the soul of Param Purush, Paramatma or God is incarnated in the human body of Brahma. Either spiritual or settlement part of cycle is inevitable for every soul as per the graph. Unique or Durlabh opportunity, one of the 84 lakhs yoni as mentioned in scriptures to recognize Param Purush, Paramatma or God is now during only one last logical knowledge and not biological birth per cycle, which is dynamic and specific to individual soul as indicated by the yellow point in graph. Different theory of duration of cosmic cycle capital T exist, proving it to be either 5,000, 6,000, 4,000 or 10,000 years. As per James' Bible, before Christ 3,000 years ago heaven exists. That is 2,000 plus 3,000 makes it 5,000. Kali Yuga is of 1200 divine years plus 50 transition period is equal to 1250 into 4 is equal to 5,000 provided all yugs are of the same duration. As per the statistics, population of the world is almost zero 4,000 years ago. Kalki phenomena repeats every 6,000 years. Astronomy is about third rotation of Earth around Sun. Diameter ratio of world and Sun is around 100, and so surface area ratio is 10,000. To scan the surface of the Sun for the world, it takes 10,000 years. Truth is, duration of cosmic cycle capital T is equal to 5,000 years, with each yuga duration is equal to 1250 years. Maximum duration of the Durlabh opportunity in Sangam Yuga is 100 divine years, the lifespan of Brahma as per the scriptures. Duration of Sangam Yuga overlapping Kali Yuga or Iron Age is 100 calendar years, Tatatvam. Why Sangam Yuga is so Durlabh? Yellow point in diagram is the now time in cosmic cycle. Probability is 1 soul in 10,000 for 84 births in the cycle. 1 soul in 500 for birth in the golden age. 1 soul out of 30 for birth in silver age. Earlier the one recognizes Param Purush, better it is for the soul. Higher the probability, higher the pralabdha, hence it is Durlabh birth. Purification, that is vikar to become zero, which is a prerequisite to enter the pure soul world, follows the reverse process. 1. Reduce the black layer or vikar accumulated in last 2 yuga of iron and copper age by Raj Yoga. Second, attain the original charge lost during the first 2 yugas of silver and golden age and generate pralabdha script for nirvikari or deterministic world or for Swarnim Bharat based on principle of change in sanskar for change in sansar from vikari world to nirvikari world. Both are feasible by becoming God conscious and soul conscious or self plus God realization, which is the real definition of astik, by matching soul frequency to God frequency by changing lifestyle to purity only for the logical last birth of the cycle and thereby experience the presence of God as per the science of Raj Yoga. 1. Soul to Supreme Soul communication by telepathy. 2. Generation of harmonics as experienced in Atindriya Sukh because of the frequency matching with Supreme Soul. Third, increase of emotional quotient or resilience through soul charging via God charging, that is meditation, leads to reduction of stress or suffering as per the formula stress equal to pressure divided by resilience. Using 7 qualities of soul, input is equal to Raj Yoga Gyan plus Pavitrata or Dharana. Process is being soul conscious using Shanti plus Prem plus Sukh. Output is experiencing God consciousness by Anand, resulting in Shakti or soul power or resilience. Fourth, personality change because of the burning of vikar deposited in subconscious or unconscious mind of soul by the power of Supreme Soul. Analogy is Sun is Param Purush or Supreme Soul. Focus by lens is Raj Yoga through Man and Buddhi, and paper is Vikar.
Cycle completion is inevitable either by yoga, that is God conscious karma, red line, or by karma bhog, black line. Pain is inevitable for all souls because of vikarma done in body conscious stage during Vikari world journey, which has to be nullified either with suffering, deemed as karma is equal to cross, or bhog, as per Newton's law, action is equal to delayed reaction, could be by number of births, as shown in by black line. Other option is by Raj Yoga with no suffering, and karma is equal to positive to generate pralabdha script for 20 births in Nirvikari world during one single Durlabh birth in transition world, applicable to 33 crore special souls. The principle is, in spite of vikar depicted as a black layer because of the charging due to God consciousness, Swadharma is output like it is done in Nirvikari world, and that is why it is called Shresht Karma. Thanks to metaphysics phenomena overriding the unidirectional thermodynamics heat engine entropy cycle, as shall be explained. Soul world to human world journey starting point is the soul birth and is always one after another. Whereas at the right time, when soul count in the soul world becomes zero, human world to soul world simultaneous reverse journey of all the souls, called Kayamat or Shiv ki Barat or Apocalypse, as per the scriptures, starts. Features are 1. Mahabharat or World War III, except in India. 2. Civil war in India. 3. Natural calamities all over. 4. Prakriti initialization before transformation to the new world. 4. Residual vikar nullification of all the souls in either Sukshmavatan or angel world through self-realization or paschata. Purush transition to and from Vammarg happens twice a cycle, that is every 2500 years. First, at the Sangam of silver and copper age, the initialization of Kam Vikar, described in sculptures as Adam-Eve apple syndrome. Second, current Sangam Yug, when Vikar becomes zero, as purification process described as Kayamat in scriptures. As Purush Vikar controls the Prakriti entropy, the change in Purush Vikar initializes the entropy of Prakriti, and therefore only 2500 years of history is remembered at a time. Question: kahan se aaye, kahan jana hai to the soul? The answer is from soul world to human world and back to soul world. Param Purush returns to the soul world. However, it returns to human world at every sangam of every cosmic cycle.
Cycle re-entry from soul world to human world implies that there is no nirvana or merging, as soul energy cannot be destroyed or created or merged with each other or with soul world as per quantum physics, as soul count remains constant throughout.
Every soul passes through angel world and soul world once every cosmic cycle before re-entering human world. Duration of the stay of the soul in soul world is inversely proportional to the power of the soul.
As per Mahabharata scriptures, everything begins with the Gita sermon,
followed by Mahabharat war, leading to Sadgati of only Pandavas and not Kaurav or Yadav in heaven.
This phenomena maps to the three functions of God. Mahabharata scriptures actually describes the transition time or Sangam Yuga where first Gita sermon is the Raj Yoga teaching by Param Purush which purifies the souls to become eligible for Nirvikari world or heaven by conquering the Maya or Vikar or body consciousness deemed as Maya Yudh equivalent to the generate functions of God of transferring Vikari souls to Nirvikari souls by Brahma. Second, transformation of Prakriti from old Vikari world to new Nirvikari world, the equivalent to destruct function of God by Mahesh.
शंकर की तपस्या से विनाश.
And the third, maintain the heaven, the Nirvikari kingdom of Vishnu or Lakshmi Narayan or Adam Eve, equivalent to the operate function of God, of course followed by Ram Sita kingdom. Three functions or three deities or Trimurti, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh or children of God use angel world for this transformation work.
In true Gita, Krishna symbolizes Param Purush, whereas Arjun symbolizes Purush or soul. However, Mahabharata Gita, some shlokas do refer to some points mentioned in cosmic cycle or true Gita. Four types of soul. 1. Param Purush or Paramatma, only birth by incarnation during Sangam Yuga in the body of Brahma, remains at top of the human tree, number 0, followed by the souls in descending order of soul power located on inverted tree, type 2, deity souls, entry only in Nirvikari world, totaling 33 crore special souls. Type 3, other religious souls, where entry is in Vikari world, where they coexist with Hindus converted from deity souls. Type 4, religious founder, they enter into Vikari world, where first birth is by incarnation. During that time they preach the religion. Type of soul energy or thoughts or soul state and resultant karmic state changes as per the yuga or time. Nirvikari world, it is sankalp, soul conscious state, karma is equal to 0, graphically represented by red line. Vikari world, vikalp, body or role conscious state, karma is equal to negative, connecting black line. In transient world, there are two options, yoga options, it is a Shresh Sankalp, God conscious state, karma is equal to positive, red line from the yellow point, bhog option, it is a Paschatap, body conscious state, karma is equal to cross, black line from the yellow point. At micro level, soul or supreme soul script controls Purush conscious mind or subconscious mind, which controls Prakriti script based on theory of everything or theory of vibrations, which could be the scientific basis of single theory for cosmic cycle or Kal Chakra. Two paths or marks. Gyan Marg is Sukshma based on Swadharma, direct two-way communication with Param Purush with role reversal within the total cycle, applicable to critical mass of the souls who become God conscious during Sangam Yuga. Bhakti Marg is a Sthul Kriya based on Janma Dharma. It is indirect one-way communication with Param Purush applicable to the known history of the world. Every soul navigates Bhakti Marg. Only special souls are gifted Gyan Marg who are able to recognize Param Purush during Sangam Yuga. Adhyatma is the journey of soul in the Sangam Yuga from body consciousness to soul consciousness using God consciousness, that is changing the lifestyle so that soul frequency matches the God frequency. Adhyatma is also daily dosage of the food of the soul, that is Gyan, that gives positivity to soul. And Adhyatma is also daily dosage of exercise of the soul or a yoga, that is to remain God conscious. We know that Purush controls the Prakriti in general and body in particular. So Adhyatma gives you 4H, namely happiness of mind, health of body, harmony in relation with other souls, and harmony with Prakriti, or we can call it as heaven. Vikar acquisition is automatic during Kal Chakra. However, Adhyatma helps in Vikar removal by Raj Yoga, which helps in removing the suffering during Sangam Yuga and enables the entry into the Nirvikari world during the next cycle, or which we call it as heaven. So Adhyatma is about Vikar Chakra, which leads to Kal Chakra, or maybe it is other way round. Now to summarize, 4 cosmic laws are responsible for the drama to be eternal cosmic cycle or Kal Chakra. Law 1. As per physics, journey from Sato to Tamo, uniformly applicable to every soul for 4 yugas, depicted as black dotted line. Law 2 of cycle, where metaphysics phenomena of Param Purush during Sangam Yuga, the current Yuga, overrides physics phenomena of Law 1 for Tamo to Sato journey in reverse direction as depicted by brown dotted line. Law 3. Cycle completion either by Yoga, that is red line, or by Bhog, that is black line, in reverse direction. Law 4. Poetic justice, Purusharth of Raj Yoga, then Pralabdha of Nirvikari world from red line to red line for critical mass of the souls. Else, by default, Paschata Bhog, black line to Vikari world, black line. Unique overview of cosmic cycle and correlation with spirituality on single screen, frame or canvas. Space dimension of the drama, 3 worlds. Time dimensions of the drama, 5 yugs represented by 7 circles, classified as 3 logical worlds, namely Nirvikari world, Vikari world and transient world. 4 types of the karma, 0, negative, plus and cross. 3 actors of the drama, Parampurush, Purush and Prakriti. 4 laws of the drama resulting in Kal Chakra. 3 God functions, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. Accumulation and removal of vikar on souls during drama resulting in Kal Chakra. Physics and metaphysics phenomena affecting the drama. Every soul now is at yellow point and has 2 options. Either get automatically pulled by cosmic cycle and suffer to return to Vikari world following the black path, or push the cosmic cycle by change the lifestyle and enter into Nirvikari world following the red path. Change in lifestyle is becoming soul conscious by matching soul frequency to God frequency. Spirituality or Adhyatma is change in lifestyle based on the understanding of the current context of Kal Chakra, either now or will probably never happen. To conclude, what has been explained is God's true Gita for every soul to follow.